We woke up to clouds and 50 degrees this morning. I count my blessings. Every morning these guys are all here safe and sound and happy to see me. Big stretch, Gray. Coffee.
It's
Coffee. It is.
Yeah, just a little bit more and you'll be good.
All right. All right. Let the Thanksgiving cooking begin. Starting with cooking the pumpkin.
That's right.
Yep, we're gonna make.
Injure ourselves.
Nope, I make Donnie do this. This is all him. He has the strength to use the knife without potentially hurting himself.
Yeah.
He goes, yeah, just feel me taking my finger off, no problem. See, I knew you could do it. When I do it, I end up with two not very halves.
Right.
It's in half, but it's not really 50-50. See, that will cook nice and even.
Okay.
Thank you. So someone is getting a 5th generation Apple Watch as an early Christmas present. That someone would be me. Y'all know that Don does not use an iPhone. He has an Android. He has a Pixel.
Pixel?
No. But somebody got you a Samsung watch, Android watch a few years ago. If you really wanted to hook it back up with the current phone, you probably could.
That's right.
So, you know, we're paying for it, so why let it sit for a month?
Right.
You know, it's too busy the day after Christmas. I never get to hook up my electronics.
Well, they had a really good
deal. Yeah, it was.
So it's like, I don't know that it was going to get any better on Black Friday per se. I mean, it's sort of like Sprint had a really good deal early. So
yeah, we think Sprint wants to make their money off of the monthly contract, and they're really willing to help get you into the watch.
Right.
It was like half off.
Half off. That's
I mean, we went to the Apple store and So anyway, we're going to hook it up today because we've got time, and that way I can start enjoying it over the holiday. And I kind of got used to messages coming in on my Fitbit.
Right.
But this one will do a whole lot more than just the messages, so...
And we got some colorful watch bands for the Fitbit. It's going to go to Johnny.
Yeah, he wanted a green band, and he wanted the Fitbit. I think it's a Charge 2 that I had. He wants to wear it, so we're gonna give it to him.
Yep.
I already ordered the green band. And is in this box up here, and I have torn off the little plastic. You know, they have all of this fancy, snazzy packaging. They put a lot of thought into how they're going to package these items. And wow, there's the band.
Ooh.
I wonder, I guess they gave me a short if I have a small wrist, or a large if I have a large wrist.
I see.
And we'll have to figure out which one works better for me. I'm guessing this one, but probably not too many pins back. So we'll check it out.
Yep.
Yeah, there is charging cable and the actual wall charger, and this must be the watch. It comes in, oh, isn't that sweet? It comes in its own little case. I have to figure out how to actually get it out of there. I would have thought it would have been like magnetic somehow. It seems to have a crease here.
Mm-hmm.
It does.
Slides out?
Yeah, it must slide out. Yeah, okay.
Like a little purse.
There it is. I have to get out the quick start guide and go from there now. So open your band box and follow the steps to attach your band to the Apple Watch.
Sounds good.
To get started, put on your Apple Watch, press and hold the side button to turn it on. Open the Apple Watch app on your phone to pair your devices. And then it's going to talk a little bit about watch operations. So let's get through those first 3 steps.
So this is like a special charger puck. I guess you set the watch on the, when we take it out of there, but yeah, that it's kind of magnetic, and that's how you have to charge it. So you definitely have to have that cable device to charge it. It probably plugs into any USB or quality USB adapter, but the actual cable, you've got to have that with you. So we've been doing the setup, and I have to say it's been like super easy. The cellular data was like 2 touches of the word continue, verify that this is who you your sprint information, and 1 more click and it was done. We had to watch a video on how to handle the different orientations, because Marianne liked to wear it on her right hand versus tips to the left, and now it's syncing. She's like almost done, and I'm serious, it's taking like 10 minutes at the most.
Right. I just got Electrek up on the screen.
Yeah, there we go.
Donnie's like, what are is your screen okay for me to show? And I said, yeah, I'm just reading on Electrek about how Tesla's gonna pull the Ford F-150 with no problem a second time.
Yep.
We watched the Engineering Explained video this morning, and yeah, I get it, but it's for fun, so yeah. It inspires the Tesla loyalists, fan girls and boys. So it says, my watch is ready, press the digital crown to start. Aw, it jingled at me.
Is it blowing up?
Nope, it just put up a clock face with the current time, and I got, this looks like a weather app, the date. I don't know what that is, but we'll figure it out, and I don't know what that is, but we'll figure it out. So I guess I'm going to go back into the watch app now and just configure it a little bit.
Way cool.
So I got my sausage defrosted.
Yep.
My pumpkin is ready to be pureed in the blender. It's cooling.
Yep.
Don's headed for his run.
Get it out of the way.
And I'm going to make a quick run up to Walmart and get my daily Pokemon handled.
Yep.
So then it'll be time to cook. I got 2 desserts to make and dinner to fix tonight. I got a nice bottom round roast, and I want to make a fancy cauliflower mash.
Right.
So it's just starting.
Yep.
Well, the cats are all lined up for their afternoon nap. I think Mittens has the primo spot, although that blanket is really soft and snuggly. I believe the little bit of rain that was coming through has finished. And it's 61 out there, and one of our neighbors is blowing leaves. Although the leaves, to me, they look like they're coming down about as fast as someone could blow them. So, yeah, something like that. So while Don does his run, I'm going to run up to Walmart and do my Pokemon. I don't plan to be gone long because I really do have to get busy in the kitchen. Somehow I failed to realize that all of the rest of Fuquay would be here at Walmart getting their last minute Thanksgiving things. I came for a couple of storage bins. Here you can see they've rearranged the floor for the Black Friday lines tomorrow starting at 6. Well, I got 1 storage bin, 2 cat beds, and we threw a lot of other people in the store on a mission to get things for their Thanksgiving dinner. But I got in and out of there pretty quick. They were starting to get ready for Black Friday setup too. So yeah, there was also that. No Tesla Hot Wheels. The Hot Wheels display wasn't full. The boxes in the toy department that needed to be put out were not Hot Wheels. So I'm gonna head back down Main Street, old part of Main Street, and home now. I think Don's back. And Donnie and I have shared a hard apple cider, that brand that I like that comes from England.
Now I'm getting sleepy.
I had him taste test a different kind of sausage. It was supposed to be hot. It was from the farm. It's pastured pork. It's made with care by people that care about it's not processed stuff, and it was good. It wasn't as hot as it advertised, and Don's offered to help me in any way he can, which being the single guy that he was for years, he knows his way around the kitchen just fine, but I was just happy to have some company for a few minutes.
Thank you, sweetie. I'm glad to help.
Now you can go
go take my nap.
You can. Yeah. I'll be out here cooking for a while. So it's 5 o'clock. And the Postal Service in a big white van, 2nd day in a row they've brought deliveries to our house. This box is huge, and it looks like it's a subscribe and save box.
Got other stuff in there besides cat food.
Well, it wouldn't be our house if it wasn't cat food, Donnie. Right. I mean, come on now. We got some hungry critters here.
We got a lot of them.
There's the second box. More goodies? What did you get me?
I got you oven and barbecue digital thing with a timer and temperature, and it has a stainless steel probe so you can stick in your turkey. I
Wow.
was told them it had to get here by today, and they got it in here in the nick of time.
So the first box was a mix of subscribe and save and, like, you know, deals we've been buying.
Well, I've been buying.
Right, those were mostly deals you've been buying. Not that I haven't bought a few deals, but...
I got that sine wave inverter, 2 smaller belts. The belts I've got a little big now, and what else?
The digital thermometer.
Digital thermometer.
But this is the coffee pot.
This is our Christmas present.
Keurig K-Duo. It's a dual coffee pot and K-cup.
Yeah.
Wow, it's in a Keurig box. With the, you know, the box inside of that box. That's pretty cool.
Yep.
Wow, it's like Christmas, but it's Thanksgiving.
That's right.
So I guess we decided we're not going to wait to open it till Christmas.
I like coffee too much.
Well, Donnie is the barista in this house. I don't mess with the coffee. So, you know, I own the title to other stuff.
Yeah, she cooks.
Dawn is the coffee person. So,
Yeah. Trying not to break it.
again, this is the K-Duo. So it has a way to make a carafe of coffee and
Yeah.
the K-cups.
Right.
And we might let Johnny have a cider or a hot chocolate.
Right. Exactly. Well, the thing is, Kitten, she likes her coffee like random times of the day. I kind of like a coffee in the morning guy, and that's pretty much all I drink. So,
Yep, way cool. We'll let you know what we think after we use it.
yeah.
You can see the drippings from the roast there in the background. This is mostly what was on top of it. I really like how that makes the gravy taste. I am melting some butter, and we're back to using real flour for Thanksgiving. I've got my cauliflower mashed casserole in there with cheese and crispy onion bits on top, and here is the roast. It's sitting until we're ready to cut. So there's the bottom round roast, homemade gravy, and a cauliflower mash with that really good link sausage in it, lots of cheese, and some onion, crispy onions.
Yeah, baby.
Woo! We're gonna add the water to the pan, but after we set it in the oven, the cheesecakes. This one is eggnog with marbled pumpkin spice layer swirl, and this one is just pumpkin eggnog.
Yum.
I had a little extra batter or too small of a springform pan. You decide.